The cool thing about the Dyna Wide Glide is you get the benefits of being a Dyna, a little bit cheaper. You get mad girls. Everyone knows that the Dyna guys, they get all the girls, but can they keep those girls? Guys, Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we have a, what year is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2004 Harley Davidson Wide Glide. And how do you know if it's a Wide Glide? Bing. One, you know it's in the Dyna family, which don't exist anymore. If it's got the, if you can see the rear shock. Normally a Dyna has a real narrow front end. If you notice on this big mammoth, look at that big old wide front end. That's like pretty much the same front end that's on a Softail. Let's take this beast for a ride. First of all, I love white bikes. They stand out, they're easier to see. Second of all, this bike has 7,400 miles on it. And we're gonna ride in the snow. Alright guys, before we do anything today, let's take a moment to thank God. Dear God, thank you for this beautiful day. Even though it's a little bit cold, it's still a beautiful day that you have made. Thank you for blessing all of us with life, and most of the people who are watching, the ability to live in a free country. Amen. So let's talk about the Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. The cool thing about the Dyna Wide Glide is you get the benefits of being a Dyna, a little bit cheaper. You get mad girls. Everyone knows that the Dyna guys, they get all the girls, but can they keep those girls? That's the big question. And the answer is no. Because everyone knows that the girls like the Softails. All women everywhere, all they want is the Softail. It's more comfortable. So this is kind of like halfway. You get the benefits of the Dyna, but you get that, you don't get like the soft ride of a Softail. It still performs good, but you get that little more stability with that wider front end, and it looks cooler. Let's just be honest, it looks way cooler. So the big thing about the Dyna is the Dyna handles better than the other bikes. I don't know why. I'm not like a physician, I'm not a mathematist, so I don't know exactly why, but I know that it does, and it definitely feels better. This bike runs like a top. I like these handlebars. They feel great. I love driving on roads that look like this, covered in salt, because that's when you get the most traction. I'm joking. Just so everyone knows, I'm joking. You don't get good traction on roads like this. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna quit riding on them, because I ain't no quitter. So I'm sure you guys all know, most of you know, some of you know, none of you know, that the Dyna, they stopped making the Dyna line, 2018. 2017 was last year of the Dynas. 2018 they said, forget you, Dyna, hate you. And they announced it last year, or did they stop it in 2017? I don't know. They announced it last year that they were stopping the Dyna. And then just the other day, they announced that the Kansas City Harley Davidson plant. There's something rattling. I think my seat. I gotta figure out what that is. I'll figure out what that is. But the Harley Davidson plant in Kansas City is getting shut down. Guess where they made the Dynas? You guessed it, Kansas City. Yeah, it's also where they made their V-Rods. They stopped making them a while, like 2 years ago. Coincidence? I think not. So they're actually laying off 800 employees. And they are opening up another 400 or I think 450 jobs in York, Pennsylvania. So that's close to where we're at. This bike moves. This bike runs great. It's got a lot of chrome on it. Needs a little love, it needs a little elbow grease, a little TLC, but I think we price it accordingly. And it's got crazy little miles. I love that white. Mirrors are nice. They don't do a great job. You can't see too much out of them, but whatever, whatever. Don't pull out. Don't pull out, Mr. Minivan. Smoking a big old cigarette. Alright guys, that wraps up the test drive. This thing bangs through all the gears. Front brake feels tight, rear brake feels tight. If you want to see more specific information about this specific bike, oh yeah, it's got like the floorboard, pegs type of things. Check out the walk around video. It pulls good. This bike will not last very long. Guys, check out the description below. We have a lot of cool stuff down there. We might be running out of gas. I might be running out of gas. Check out the description below. We got a lot of cool stuff. Don't forget, we're giving away a Dyna in a couple months. We're doing a Dyna build. We're giving it away. It's a Super Glide. It's free to enter. So check that out. Check out our Patreon page. Help support us. And also check out our inventory. We have a link to it down below. Down below in the description. Check it out. You were wondering what was kind of clumping around. It's not the suspension. The suspension feels fine. It's actually the seat. So I'm going to figure out what that is, and we'll put it in the description. What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.